Hey everybody, it is Lisa Mason and I am on my blog. Actually, it is currently TLC with Lisa. I'll be changing that domain. I'll still be keeping TLC with Lisa, but it's also going to be sipteawithlisa.com, which is one of my domains that I have, and I'm going to be changing that. So if you want to find me, just go to TLC with Lisa and I put that link below. But today I wanted to talk to you again about the Resolution Drops diet plan. Now, a couple years ago I did a video and it's got over 18,000 views. Resolution Drops is really popular because it works. It absolutely works. You can lose 1 to 3 pounds daily with Resolution, and I've got my own results that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video of how many pounds I lost in just one day. But I did want to go over this with you, and I did type it all out so that you could have it and bookmark this page on your device so that you can just have it when you're out and about, maybe at lunch with friends or wherever you might be, and at the grocery store and you're like, I forgot what I'm supposed to buy. So here it is. Okay. So I'll just kind of quickly go over some of the attributes of the program Resolution. So what we're going to do is we're going to help you lose 1 to 3 pounds a day. Okay, so what you do is you'll place 10 drops under your tongue. You'll hold them there for 15 seconds and then you'll swallow. I do recommend using a spoon. That way you can keep it sanitary, as well as make sure that you get those 10 drops. So here's a bottle of Resolution right there. Okay, you guys see it? Awesome. Okay. All right. So we're going to help you lose 1 to 3 pounds daily. You'll do this 15 minutes before or after each meal. I do it 15 minutes before, and what I also do is I just put it in my phone. Because I get really busy and my mind goes in 1,000 different places and I'll forget. I don't want to forget. So I started putting it in my phone because I'm actually using Resolution again. Got to take some of the weight off, so I'll be using it with you. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to have a 200 calorie breakfast, a 400 calorie lunch, a 400 calorie dinner, and 2 100 calorie snacks. So that is a 1,200 calories per day. That's it. It's just super simple and it's easy. Now here are my results. You can see right here. I had a little belly on me for real. Okay. And so I lost 5 pounds that first night. Yeah. So, I mean, you can see here, tremendous difference. You can even see here, like in my arm. See my arm hanging right there? See that fat meat on my arm? It's gone. You see right there? Same angles. You see that? You see that? All that meat right there? Gone. This is incredible, guys. It really is. So here's the approved foods list. I snipped it and put it on my website for you. Then I broke it all down, just like I said. Egg whites, you can have 6 servings a day. Chicken breast, turkey breast, lean ground beef, as long as it's 95%. Eye of round, flank, steak, top sirloin, bison, venison, a can of tuna fish each day, steak, lobster, crab, shrimp, scallops, orange roughy, cod, flounder, sole, sea bass, tilapia, halibut, or mahi-mahi. Now, if you are a vegan or you do a plant-based diet like I do, you can have tofu. Okay, you can have firm or extra firm or tofu noodles. So it is vegan friendly and plant friendly. So your vegetables, you can have lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, celery, onions, spinach, chard, fennel, red radishes, asparagus, cabbage, chicory, beet greens, your fruit. Now, your fruit is not going to be as broad because we are reducing your calories, okay? So as far as the fruits, you can have apple, oranges, grapefruit, strawberries, blueberries. I happen to love blueberries, so I'm going to be going to the grocery store later with my own little list, which is why I decided to print this all out. And then the starches, you can have Melba toast, Grassani breadstick, saltine crackers, just one though, okay, because we're cutting all these carbs out. We are shedding weight, okay. Dairy and protein, you'll have milk, yogurt, cottage cheese, okay. And then you'll also have your approved drinks here, so you'll know what you can and cannot have. You're going to have your black coffee or your green tea or your Iaso tea. You can add that for sure. Okay, and then you can have stevia or sweet and low. So we cannot have Splenda, regular sugar, soda, any of those things. You can have fresh lemon lime, so don't try to make this too complicated. This is really, really simple. And a lot of people try to make this so complicated. Follow the instructions for the best results. Now, here's the thing. If you have to have a cheat day, and I totally get it, try not to have a whole cheat day. Try to have a cheat meal. Okay, once a week. Okay, because the goal is not to deprive you, but we still, at the same time, we got to remember, we got to stay on point with this. Now, you need to consume at least 3 liters of water every day. So what that means is that if you've got like a liter of soda or whatever, put a soda out, and then keep it filled with water. Drink that 3 times a day. That's also 12 cups of water a day. 96 ounces a day. It is recommended that you drink at least 100 not calories, but 100 ounces of water each day. Some people drink half their body weight in water. So I know this seems like a lot of water, but remember, you are losing 1 to 3 pounds a day. So I've got my water container right here. I've been filling it up, and I'm sipping and sipping and sipping and sipping. Okay, so got to sip that water, got to flush all that bad stuff out, because guess what? I need to lose some weight, and I know if you're watching this video, you need to lose some weight too. So let's do it together, okay? All right, now, some of you are going to be calling me and asking me, do you have a sample meal plan for me? Here it is right here. Day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can actually use this. It's really, really simple. Okay, so you can exercise with this, or if you don't want to, you don't have to. But definitely eating correctly and using resolution is going to help you lose weight faster. Now, a lot of people are going to say, well, if you just eat healthy, you're going to lose weight anyway. Guess what? I've been eating healthy for a long time. If I don't use these products, I have a really hard time, because guess what? My metabolism is really, really, really slow. Okay, I'm at an age where my metabolism, I've got 4 grown children. My metabolism is just asleep. Okay, I have to use extra products to help me to move my world along. Now, I also drink Iaso tea. And here's the tea right here in case you have not seen it. I do have tea as well you can order. We do have the solutions kit where you would get the Iaso tea. You'll get resolution, and then you'll get NutriBurst, which is a liquid vitamin. You'll get that as well. And it's 99% absorption into the bloodstream. You're going to feel wonderful. I know I feel really, really good today. Really good. Okay. Now, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. I am here to help. The number is 901-352-1158. And here's a video that I did a couple years ago, also breaking it down. If you want to go deeper into it, this video is going to help you to do that. So bookmark this page. If you have any questions at all, you can definitely shoot me an email at asklisamason@gmail.com. I am here to help you to succeed with your weight loss goals. And then you can click on this link right here to get started. Okay, if you want to get into our Facebook group, you can also click on that link and I will add you. Okay, or shoot me an email and I'll shoot you a link so you can get in. Okay, it is closed. You will have to answer those 3 questions. I do screen everyone. It is not open to TLC reps. It is only open to those who are looking to lose weight with our products. So, that being said, I do want you to have a really great day. You can find me at tlcwithlisa.com, this page, tlcwithlisa.com. I hope that you are having a wonderful day, and I'll also add the link below. It's going to be, no, I can't do a bit.ly link. Okay, so I'll add the link below. So have a great day. Take care of yourself, and until I see you again, be well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button below, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.